Hello and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And today is Friday, May 5th. We're about to do a little hike to a little waterfall. It's actually cold today. It's only like in the 50s and it's currently raining right now, but I feel like that makes for a good hike to a waterfall. Obviously, last week was pretty warm here in California and this week it's been totally the opposite. It's been a little bit on the gloomier side every day and kind of rainy, so hopefully we see a good waterfall today. I think the one we're gonna go to today, it's not even that far from us actually, so that'll be amazing. Usually you kind of have to drive far to see waterfalls, but this one apparently is only like 26 minutes away and it's not like a super long round trip hike or anything. So I think that's what the plan is today. Hopefully everything works out. I got like some crazy patterns and colors I feel like going on right now because it's freezing. So I got my jacket literally zipped all the way up. I just have a little sports bra underneath with a hat on because I need to wash my hair desperately. I feel like if we wait any longer, we probably won't go see a waterfall this year because I'm going back home to Missouri on May 10th. Like I said, today's May 5th, so got 5 days left here. Well, technically like 4, you know. So once I go home, I don't know when I'm gonna be coming back, maybe not till July or something like that, who knows, just with everything going on in my life right now. So I feel like if we don't take the opportunity now to go do a waterfall hike, I probably won't go see one. I mean, I would love for this summer to be able to go back to Yosemite. I mean, that would be like the goal, but sometimes that doesn't always work out. So I can't just like count on thinking I'm gonna for sure be going to Yosemite again this year. I don't think we've been since before COVID, so like 2019-ish. It was literally the best time of my life. I'm in love with Yosemite. If you've never been, make it a priority. It's the most beautiful place ever. Also, if you're wondering why these leaves are here, it's because I literally have the windows behind me so I can get like good lighting, and I literally have the plant next to the window, so you're looking at my beautiful tall tree in the room. I love her, but like for real, she goes all the way up to the ceiling. So I just dropped my film off, and for 4 rolls it ended up being like around $61, which is honestly cheaper than I thought it was gonna be. And they said it'll be ready by Tuesday or Wednesday, so hopefully before I leave on Wednesday morning I can snag my film and take it home with me, because that would be great. But yeah, we just left the photo place and now we are going to either REI or Big 5, because apparently for this hike you have to get a day pass, which we've done before at other hikes. So I think for only like $5, something like that. We got the pass from Big 5 Sporting Goods and we are ready to go. We just got here. The drive to get here was so cool, going up the mountain. I'm pretty sure we're literally in the freaking clouds. I don't want my camera to fall off of the car. And we just parked in this little parking lot. They have a really nice parking lot for a lot of cars to fit, which usually they don't have stuff like that. And then look back there. Actually, it doesn't feel too bad up, but I can already hear the water, so there's got to be like some river stream over here. So we need to figure out which way we gotta go, and I think it's not gonna be a bad hike.
Check out my tacos.
Devin's got the hiking sandals on. I do not, so I'm probably gonna get soaking wet feet because he's got all the waterproof shit. You got all the good stuff.
Prepared.
I got nothing. So yeah, this is what it looks like at the parking lot. I think there's something that way too, but we just came up the other side of this mountain and came down where this parking lot is. I think we gotta go this way. Wow, I feel like this is gonna be amazing. Everything's super green right now because of it being May, you know? Nothing's dried up yet, and this already looks so nature-esque. Wow, I was craving this. Haven't I been talking about this?
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's cabins. Can you stay here?
People park right there.
There's literally cabins right in here. There's a little trail over there, I guess, to that stream down there, which sounds beautiful. But apparently you gotta cross a lot of streams. So Devin came prepared. I don't have any hiking sandals yet, which I desperately need to get. I'm talking about getting them forever, and I just like keep forgetting. So I'm probably gonna suffer the consequences today with my trench foot, my hiking boots. But it's fine. It's not like a super long hike, so I don't have to suffer for too long. Wow. Look at how pretty this is over here. This is the little stream we're walking across right now, which I'm sure we're gonna have to cross eventually. That sound is so peaceful. Look at you. You look cute. All your waterproof stuff. So we're currently walking through a little campground, which is cool. Would love to stay here for a night.
Another falls. This way.
So we gotta go this awesome way? I wonder what's across
another
there.
cabin right there.
Oh my god, how beautiful.
These cars drove up here.
Oh, love it. In there. Must be nice. Must be nice. Wow. Come on.
Let's book it. We get a cool shot of the waterfall on the drone. This could be a good vlog.
I know.
You gotta edit this maybe tonight.
Tonight, we're editing a lot. forest. These little skinny trees remind me of bamboo.
Yeah. It's easier, walk on those rocks. Oh, good, she's shaking in his boots. Hold on, I gotta come around. You got it.
Living. If the streams we're crossing are this powerful, I can only imagine what the waterfall is going to be like. Whoa, a little muddy. There isn't one part of this trail that isn't just beautiful. I'm assuming I need to cross there. Or is up there better? I think it may be right here.
Or right here. I don't know. Take my hand.
Don't pull me. Oh man. These boulders. This is a massive rock. Look at that. So it's been gloomy all day, but now the sun is starting to peek through the trees a little bit, and the lighting, I mean, you couldn't ask for a more serene look. Oh no. This could be where I finally get my shoes wet.
I'll walk right here.
Okay.
Yeah. distance, We think we see the waterfall.
We made it 0.5 miles in. So cool.
Not that bad at all.
Waterfall is pretty loud right now. Devin's getting some drone shots. And I have successfully, I don't want to jinx myself, but I have successfully not gotten my shoes wet yet. We're still going strong. Dev's over there with the drone. Waterfall's over here. It's kind of crazy there's no one over here right now. When we first walked up here, there was a couple people. But now, it's just us. We got lucky. Are you kidding me? This is stunning. It's cool because it's a waterfall. There's like a boulder in between it. It's like wedged in there perfectly and it makes it look even more cool. Definitely got like a good mist going here, so it's a little chilly in my first frost. My inner child is like screaming inside right now. Wow. Devin was getting crazy with the drone and literally just right in the middle of this boulder. You like charged it. You were getting crazy. You think you got one of them FP drones, don't you? It literally flew right into the middle of the boulder, like full force.
That's because it's picking up wind.
Oh. I thought it was because you were getting crazy with that thing. Is it okay? Yeah. Wow. The drone captain. It's like a pretty busy hike. We picked a perfect random Friday.
That's ourselves.
Literally, the whole place to ourselves. Oh, this little birdie came by. Say hello.
Wow.
Top of the waterfall. We just hiked to the top of the waterfall. Man, we definitely, like, that was full on rock climbing. Like, I'm actually a little nervous to go down.
Yeah, I'll be alright though.
sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed.
Are you having a moment?
So show me family. All the blood that I bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I will go. But I can write a song. It's you, it's all for you. Everything I do, I tell you all the time. Heaven is a place on earth with you. Tell me all the things you want to do. I heard that you like the black girls, honey.
Careful.
Is that true? It's better than I ever knew.
Wow, that's deep right
They
here.
say that the world was good for two. Only worth living if somebody is offering you. I belong with you.
It's a cool
You
tree.
belong with me. I belong with you. You belong with me. You belong with me.
We're almost back to the car now. It's honestly a really quick hike. The only thing that makes it longer is if, one, you don't have water shoes, so you're going a little bit slower. The only reason I was able to go faster in my hiking boots is because Devin had the little hiking waterproof shoes, the sandals or whatever. That is key. Definitely need to wear those. And then you can zoom through it even faster because obviously you don't care about getting wet. Not that it was even a big deal anyway, but if I could prevent it, you know. But it was nice to have him with the shoes because he was just zooming through and I could hold his hand and then jump from rock to rock. But I would highly recommend getting the water shoes. That hike was amazing. 12 out of 10 in my book. And it was very easy. I mean, we obviously took way longer because we were stopping to get a bunch of footage, the drone shots, taking some film photos.
It's a great easy hike though.
Yeah, like you could obviously like bring kids here. Like the elderly can do it.
It wouldn't be as hard either when it, you know, it just rained last night. So
Yeah.
the water levels are a lot higher than normally, but
Now that she's back in the atmosphere with drops of Jupiter in her head. She acts like summer and walks like rain. Reminds me that there's time to change it.
there's downtown. Can you see our hike?
Since the return